Thank you to the city of Nuremberg for organizing that final conference. I'm glad to be here, especially since I'm rather fresh in the Department of Culture, but nevertheless, it's a challenge. So many conferences has been organized in past 20 years, but one needs to admit that the role of arts and culture in urban renewal project has pretty much changed and also has discourse. When the topic was in 90s very much in focus, the situation and the whole context was pretty better than today. Urban renewal projects in which arts and culture were mostly considered as branding and marketing resources, and where solutions were uncritically copied regardless to local context and also needs, as well as recent economic crisis challenge us to rethink and reconsider the concepts and the role of arts and culture in the urban communities. And let me go briefly, and that goes directly to the second chance, how we dealt with that and are dealing with that in the city of Ljubljana in the case of revitalization of the former bicycle factory, one of the most impressive industrial buildings in the city of Ljubljana, the factory Rok. The economic crisis in Slovenia has completely changed the premises that were at the starting point of the renovation plans of the former Rok factory. We needed to rethink first our understanding of how culturally led regeneration could boost Ljubljana's economic development by enhancing local creative potentials to improve quality of daily life in the city. In this process, the methodology of the Second Chance project, the results of the exchange, of the analysis, meeting stakeholders, exchange with colleagues that have met a month ago in Ljubljana from other cities were of the most importance of the future development of the project. And again, as it was just said from my colleague from Krakow, the top-down cultural and urban planning with the projection that an ambitious urban renewal project would boost economic development of the city through cultural tourism and connective creative resources with industry showed to be pretty much incompatible with our existent, not only our, but also probably you face the same situations all over, our existent local financial situation, or if you want to, local economy. The challenge was how to make an economical, feasible, locally embedded, and therefore sustainable project for supporting creative activities in the fields of design, architecture, visual arts in the times when artist community is struggling through the months when architectural design studios are closing down daily. And of course, it became much more clear that projects need collaboration between different disciplines, diverse stakeholders, different levels of authorities needs to be involved, starting from local, national, and also transnational. And parallel to this, it became also clear that in the time of economic crisis and pretty much fragile industry in Slovenia, weak markets and reducing clients, we need to rethink the concept of creative industry and what is needed to support it. Fast development in the fields of 3D technologies and IT, including global platforms for crowdfunding and e-commerce, as well as open source movements, are changing classical production and distribution models in the field of creative industries. Fact is that we need more people's and more community-centered approach to local development, and that includes empowering and mobilizing local assets. Having that in mind, meaning fast changes and uncertain future, making small steps in the process of developing a project of renovation of post-industrial zones through arts and culture shows to be more efficient than anything else. In this process, Rok Lab, Second Chance pilot project for the future Rok Center, functions as a good tool for detecting, testing, and developing possible solutions, which would be more in tune with the local particularities, needs, resources, and nevertheless with our reality concerning economy. Ladies and gentlemen, and dear colleagues, I'm pleased that Ljubljana could take part and was an integral part of this Second Chance project in search for more sustainable, locally distinctive and inclusive solution, which empower our local community as well as yours and support local development. Again, thank you for this event, and I'm looking forward for everything what is ready. And of course, I need to invite you to our part of exhibition, which is held next door. Thank you.